Fowl pox is a very common highway infectious virus that can, affect chickens and other types of poultry, and it can easily spread through a flock through direct contact. In today's video, I'll be talking about some of the organic ways to reduce fowl pox in your poultry farm, how to prepare it, and required amount to add. So if this is your first time of watching our videos, do ensure you click that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so that you can get notified each time we post a new video in this channel. And you can also tell us where you are watching from. It's always a good idea to have at least a passing knowledge of the various illnesses and things that can go wrong in your poultry farm. Fowl pox is a vital disease affecting most species of poultry. It's relatively slow spreading disease that affects most birds like the chicken, the turkeys, and so on. There are two types of fowl pox, which is the wet and dry fowl pox. A chicken can be, infected with one type or the other type, or even sometimes both at the same time. The dry fowl pox is, characterized by raised wat-like lesions on the unfeathered areas. The lesions heal in about 2 weeks. In the wet fowl pox, there are a conch-like lesions in the mouth, the pharynx, and in the trachea. The wet form may cause respiratory distress by obstructing the upper air passage, and this is the main cause of death from this disease. Some of the fowl pox symptoms are also signs in other poultry disease like the vitamin A deficiency. Other signs is that you will see a retarded growth, and in laying hens, infection results in decline in egg production. The fowl pox can be, transmitted by direct contact between infected and susceptible birds or by mosquitoes. The virus can, enter the bloodstream through the eyes, the skin, or the wounds. So mosquitoes become infected from feeding on birds with the pus in their bloodstream, and there are some evidence that mosquito remains ineffective for life. So therefore, mosquitoes are the primary reservoir and spreaders of these fowl pox on poultry birds. Currently, there is no treatment of fowl pox available. However, fowl pox is, relatively slow spreading. Thus, it's possible to, vaccinate the birds to stop, an outbreak. Fowl pox outbreak in poultry confined to house can be, controlled by spraying to kill mosquitoes. However, if fowl pox is endemic in your area, vaccination is recommended, but do not vaccinate unless the disease becomes a problem on a farm or in your area. Number one is that the chicken pen should be always kept clean, and you should always discard or remove any form of stagnant water to discourage mosquito breeding. Number two is that you can use some fowl pox natural treatment using natural antibiotics and vitamins. For me, I normally use garlic, lemon, and the essential oil. For garlic, chop the cloves of garlic and drop them into the chicken's drinking water. The garlic, helps to eliminate some infections because it has antimicrobial properties. So by giving this, it will help eliminate or suppress this infection. The second natural treat is the lemon. The lemon juice extract and other components, helps to suppress the virus and create a hostile environment for the multiplication of the disease, causing the microorganism. So this lemon juice will help to prevent the entry of other disease causing microorganisms through the wounds. So you are going to place out the watery part of the lemon, or you can cut the lemon into 4 parts, then gently rub the lemon on the affected areas of the chicken, and pressing the lemon to make sure that the affected areas become wet with the lemon juice. The third treat is the essential oil. This essential oil can include the oregano essential oil and the lavender essential oils. This oil not only acts as natural antimicrobial properties, but it also helps to boost the chicken immune system. Number 3 tip is that you can apply the kitchen salt on the affected part. It will help to clear off the ugly black spots. Although this is quite excruciating, but will do the job faster. You can simply put a teaspoon inside a spray bottle and fill it up with a clean water. Then spray the mixture on the infected part of the chicken. You can do this twice a day until the lesions dry up. Number four tip is to give your chickens only fresh food or feeds. Number five tip is to disinfect feeders and drinkers using mild water and bleach solution. This serves as a preventive measure, and you should also do this for at least once a week. And number six tip, which is the last, is to isolate the affected birds from the rest of the flock for about 4 to 6 weeks.